Welcome back to another episode of the Mellow Yellow Civic. Today we're going to be fitting some tyres. Yeah!
Pourquoi des choses passées, et ensuite il est bon froid.
So these are the tyres that I'm working with at the moment. As you can see, the tread isn't too bad, but it's just the fact that they're quite old, cracking quite a bit, especially in the middle here. As you can see, quite a bit of cracking. So they're just really due to be replaced. So that's what we're going to do. Look at all that cracking. So as you can see, I've gone with the Toyo Proxy C100 Plus. Why did I go with this tyre? It's a really nice tyre, nice and quiet on the road. Also, it's at a very good price point, so that's why I went with that one there. And second thing, as you can see, the wheels, well, they've seen better days. There's quite a bit of stuff like that there that just doesn't really come off. Why have I not bought new ones, or why have I not painted them? I just thought that, well, I quite like these wheels, to be honest with you. They're quite a nice looking wheel, and I'll probably get them resprayed at a later point. Not at this stage, as there's other things that need to be done before I do that. This episode was a bit of a short one, so I was thinking, what else could I do? I realised that I have my short shift, so let's do that. Yeah, no, we're not doing that. It didn't work. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.
Come see my boy Essen.